Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunon So Captures, aka Mazi. Check 'em, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, back in Photo Lab again. Shout out to all of my clients, you are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how the image, well, basically what the image quality button on my Nikon does. All right, so I'm gonna come do a close up in the camera and show you guys what this button does. All right. All right, follow me. All right, so welcome to my camera screen, and so we're gonna talk about this image quality button right here, right? So I think you gotta hit the info button first. Yeah, so image quality. And so this basically just allows you to select how big and how detailed the picture is, right? So when you're taking pictures, right now I have it set to RAW. A lot of photographers shoot in RAW, which just means it's not JPEG, it's not bitmap or anything like that. It's just the camera's proprietary, whatever your camera manufacturer is, it's their proprietary image format. So here are all the different all the different image quality settings here. You can do RAW and a JPEG, so it does two pictures, but both a RAW picture. Sorry, I went out. Both a RAW and a JPEG. That kind of takes up a lot of room, but that's a fine JPEG, so it's like it's a bigger image file. There's a RAW plus normal. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the image file is going, the size is going down. You see that right there. And a RAW plus basic, you see, went from 46 all the way down to 34 there. You see what I'm saying? So basically, what I do is I just do RAW, and then in Lightroom, I save it as a JPEG after I'm done editing it. You know what I'm saying? So, let me go back, oops. There we go. So, that's what I do. And of course, if you want a smaller image size, small image file, these are the different JPEG sizes. You can do like the fine, which is the biggest, and then the normal size JPEG, and then you know, like a smaller JPEG, you know what I'm saying? So basically the rule of thumb for you to understand is the bigger the image size, the better. The crisper the picture is, the more detail and everything like that is in the picture itself. The smaller the image size, you know, you kind of get some pixelation and, you know, kind of gets blurry and stuff like that. So I usually shoot in RAW, and afterwards, essentially, I will, after I'm done editing it, putting it into my computer and editing it, then I will save it as a JPEG when it's done, a pretty large size JPEG. But that pretty much covers what this image quality button does. All right, so hope you enjoyed that. So if you learned something in that quick tutorial, that quick demo helps you out, please hit the like button. Send me a comment or type a comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Have you had any difficulty using this camera setting? Does it look different on a Canon, or what are your thoughts about the analogous camera setting on a Sony or anything else like that that you might want to talk about? So please comment, share this with anyone else who likes photography. Subscribe to my channel if you want to continue getting videos like this. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime that I make a new video, and please continue to support this channel. All right, thanks. I will see you in the next video. Take care.